Hello, this is Steve Malone with Compass FX. Hope you're doing well today and again some good trades. Today I want to give you a quick little tip for those of y'all using the synergy trading method, and that relates to the Trader's Dynamic Index. Now this is something that you can look for whether you're a super active trader, an active trader, a conservative trader, a swing trader, or even a position trader. Depending upon the time frame you're trading, there's one key thing to look for in the Trader's Dynamic Index to point out a potential breakout. And that is to keep your eye on the two blue lines referred to as the volatility band. And what you're looking for is once the market settles down, you can see how the market came down here, and looking at price you can see a little bit better. Price came down, then started to settle in a range and really started tightening down right here. You see this really flat right there? Well, if you notice down below in the Trader's Dynamic Index, the volatility band was moving down, then started flatten a bit, moved down a little bit more. This one on the bottom, the lower volatility band, started coming in a little bit, then it started tightening down. At this point, what you're looking for is a potential move one direction or the other. At this point, you can see where all the three lines tightened up. The green, red, and yellow line, they all tighten up right there. And when that happens, when you have the blue volatility bands tightening down themselves, get ready for a breakout. And you can see, even if we had a situation here where, let's say we took a line and we just drew across the chart here on the average low point, you can see a nice little break coming down below right there. Let's go take a look at the dollar Swiss. Here's another example today. You can see how the market was literally tightening down, and from a price standpoint you can see it kind of tightening down like this into a pennant type formation. Okay, but when you get the pennant formation or really flat sideways move and you see the tightening down in the Trader's Dynamic Index, see how they tighten down a little bit more on both sides, and then boom, there's the pop. And that point you're looking for a quick catch in the marketplace. Now as an active trader, you're going to be looking for that 5, 10, 15, maybe 20 pips. From a swing point of view, it could be more. It could be 20, 30, 40, maybe even 60 pips. From a position standpoint, looking at the 4-hour or looking at a daily, it could be many more pips than that. But you look for that. Now let's take a look here on the hourly chart, and we had another setup today on the pound dollar, and here we have a nice convergence of the blue volatility band on both sides into a tight little narrow area here. You notice how the price was tightening down as well. In this case, price kind of put in a bottom here and it dropped pretty much at an angle here, and you can draw trend lines on the chart if that'll help you out as well. And then we get this burst of action to the upside, green line breaking the blue volatility band above, and we get a nice move of the average price bar coming out of the price action channel and a nice follow through here. Again, we look for about 5 to 8 bars going in a certain direction once we break the price action channel. So here's bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the 8th bar it starts coming back down. So again, look for the opportunity for the blue volatility bands to tighten down. It's going to require patience on your part to wait for those setups. But usually if you'll notice price tightening down, getting low volatility, and going kind of straight across, very little bit of movement, and oftentimes, make note, this will happen in the late U.S. afternoon. Okay, in that late U.S. session, in the U.S. afternoon hours before the Asian session kicks off, the market has a tendency to go really flat. There are also times in the late Asian session that the market will go flat again like this before the European Open, and that gives you an opportunity to be prepared and logically plan out whether it goes long or goes short. You can be prepared for a potential breakout of the price action matched to the Trader's Dynamic Index blue volatility bands. Well folks, this is Steve Malone with Compass FX. I hope some of the information here will help you in your trades. Y'all make it a great day. Get some good trades. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.